do some math. You had for homework to do last night, you had the cumulative page to do, which was 327 and 328, which is very, very easy. It's the cumulative review, okay, where you had to mark the number that is 10 more than the highlighted number on the top, and so on. Now, today we're going to be looking at money. And money is the same thing as adding and subtracting. And if you know how to count by ones, if you know how to count by fives, if you know how to count by tens, you should be able to count your money. The only thing is that money has a certain sign that's on it. There's either a cents sign, okay, for example, if it is 5 cents, it looks like this, okay? Or it could look like this. Well, let me write a dollar first. This is a dollar, okay? Now, if you want to make it $1.05, you put a period or a decimal point here. And what this is telling you, that this one is 100 pennies, no tens, and 5 ones. So this is actually 105 cents. Isn't that amazing? Okay? This would be a dollar. Well, I should have done it the reverse. 5 cents plus $1 is actually 100 cents, no dimes or no tens and no ones. This is what 5 cents looks like by itself. Now this is $1.05, which means I have 100 cents or 100 pennies, if I want to use pennies. No dimes and 5 ones. Now, this 100 pennies can also be 100 pennies, makes $1. 10 dimes, okay, 20 nickels, all right. Well, I don't want to go into quarters yet, but anyway, 100 pennies makes $1. 10 dimes makes $1 or 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 cents, and another dime is 100 cents or $1. 20 nickels, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Wait a minute, is it 10 nickels, 20 nickels? Yeah.
20 times 5.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And when you get to 95, the next is 100. So 20 nickels make 100 cents or $1. Okay, now what we're going to do is let's turn, I want you to look at page 331. We're going to start money. Now when we add money, we always add the higher number first. These are quarters. Oh, quarters are worth, if you know how to count by fives, 25 cents. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Let's take 1 quarter. Okay, 1 quarter can be, let's see if I have some dimes in here. I don't have enough dimes. Let's see. Oh, wait a minute, here's 1 dime. We have many combinations of a quarter. another dime. And here's a nickel. Okay? This is worth 25. This is worth 25. 10 plus 10. 10, 2 tens is 20, plus 5 is 25. Now, we could also have, oh, I don't have enough nickels. I don't have enough nickels. We could also have 5 of these guys. If we had 5 of these, it would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Let me look in my purse. It's 25, 50, 75, 100 cents, or $1. Okay, let's make this. Okay, now I could have 25 pennies if I wanted to, but that's a lot to carry, 25 of these guys, right? Okay, so what you have to do is add up. For example, if I wanted to have 26 cents, what would I do? With the least amount of coins in my hand, 25 plus 1 is 26. What if I wanted to have 30 cents? Okay, I could have 5 pennies if I wanted to. I could do that. I could have 5 pennies. But if I have a nickel, I'd rather have a nickel. So that's 30 cents. Okay, what if I wanted 40 cents? Okay, 25 and 5 are 30s, counting by 5s. Now I could say 25, 30, 35, 40, right? By 5s. Always start with the highest number first, go up. 25 and 5, think of counting by 5s. After 25 comes 30, 35, and 40. Or otherwise, I could take these two guys away and say 25 and 5 are 30, and 1 dime, counting by 10s, because this is 10, counting by 10s, 25, 30, 40. Okay, this is just giving you a little summary. Let's do this lesson that we have here. We'll do it together on page 331. Okay, you ready? Because this way everybody should have it done. Okay, number 1. What is that? That is worth a penny. 1, put a 1 there, and there's the cent. Let me get my, I don't have a, that's my cent sign. That's 1 cent. Okay, the next one is a nickel. A nickel is another word for 5 cents. Let me get my cent sign. Okay, that's the difference. Now, if I have 5 of these, that would be the same as a nickel, right? So 5 pennies would also be worth, it's not a nickel, they're pennies, but the equivalent of a nickel is the same as 5 pennies. Okay? All right, let's look at the next. The next one is a dime. A dime is worth 10 cents. And now our quarter. Our quarter is worth 25. Okay? Now write the total value as you count on or count up. All right? 25 cents. 25 cents for the quarter, number 5. Then the next one, you add a penny, 26. And you add another penny, 27. So this is a total, it's counting by ones. We know this is 25, plus 1 is 26, plus 1 is 27. All right, let's go to the next. Number 6. We have a quarter again, which is 25. Counting, the next one is 26, because we're adding. It's a penny, but we're adding it to the 25, okay? Now we're going to add another penny, and that will make 27 cents. Another penny, we're going to make it 28 cents. Another penny, we're making it 29 cents. Start with the highest number. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. All right, let's look at number 7. Read the story, circle the coins needed to buy each hot dog. Jesse and Drew each wanted to buy a hot dog. How much is the hot dog? The hot dog is 26 cents. Now this is 26. All right, listen to that, watch this. This is what the hot dog is worth, 25 plus a penny. That's how much the hot dog is. Now let's see how much money Jesse rather. Jessie has, look at all those pennies. What does she need to buy that hot dog? Oh, very simple. She needs the quarter, 25, plus 1 penny. So that is what you circle. That's the exact amount of money. Okay, now let's look at Drew. He's got a lot of change. Let's see what he has here. He's got 2 dimes. I hope I have enough. How many pennies does he have? He has 2, 4, 6, 8 pennies. I think I have 8 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is how much Drew has. Let me get these out of the way so you don't get confused. All right. Well, let's do that one again because I forgot to put down that Jessie actually has, she has 5 pennies. Let's get those pennies down for her. Jessie has 25, a quarter and 5 pennies, right? That's a penny. All right, now the hot dog is this much. The hot dog is 25 plus 1. Okay, this is Jessie's money. So she needs 26 cents. 25 and 1 is 26. So this is what she needs. That is what you circle. She doesn't need the other 4 cents. All right, now this is Drew. He's got 10. 10 and 10 are 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So what does he need? He needs 26 cents. 10 and 10 are 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So this is what's going to buy him that hot dog for 26 cents. He's got 2 cents left over, and she has 4 cents. All right, let's look at the next page. It says, circle the coins needed to make 25 cents. So let me get my coins out. All right. We want 25 cents. Oh, that should be easy. Okay, this is what you have on number 1 on the back of 332. 10, 20, remember counting by tens, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Ah, we have exactly the right amount of money. All right, now let's look at the next one. Now we have, I don't know if I have enough, let me see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have 3 dimes and 2 nickels. Here's a nickel, and here's a nickel. Remember, a nickel is 5. Okay, we need 25 cents. All right, let's see how much money we have first. 10, 20, 30. We're counting by tens. Now we're counting by fives. After 30, when we count by fives, is 35. And after 35 is 40, and counting by 5. We have more money than 25, right? Okay, so let's start with the highest. 10, 20. I don't want this because that will bring me to 30. Do I want this? 10, 20, 25, right? So I don't need this. This is 25 cents. Okay, I don't think I have enough nickels for the next one. In fact, I'm sure I don't. No. Oh, I do. Oh, I'm so lucky. Okay, we still want 25 cents. Counting by fives, nickels, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Yeah, if we add this one, it would be 30. So we don't need this guy. This is 25 cents, right? Okay, now, put your answer down, circle the right amount of coins. Now let's look at number 4. How much is it worth? Okay, I'm going to put one of these guys out. And we have 3 of these. Start with the highest number first. 25. 26, that's 1. 27. 28 cents. Okay, now let's go to the next. Okay, we have nickels. Nickels are worth 5. 5, 10, 15. What's 15 and 1? This is 16 cents. All right, the rest of this you could do by yourself. It's just adding and subtracting, and then the clock. Okay? Now what I would like you to do is try to do pages 333 and 334. And what we're doing is we're counting by fives, we're counting by tens, and we're dealing with money, so we're going to be using the cents sign. Okay? So that is what you're going to be doing. And I just wrote down all of the page numbers. Okay, so we are doing 333 to 334. And of course there's going to be some subtraction. Okay? And you might have to add a little bit, and you might have to subtract a little bit. Okay? That's your assignment.